Hey everybody, gonna make some pork chops tonight on the Traeger. So I'm gonna preheat this bugger on smoke for about 5 minutes. And then I'll show you my pork chops. Alright everybody, it says I show you the pork chops, but I got smoke. So I'm closing the lid and I'm gonna put this baby up full blast. I'm going to put these pork chops on at about 450 for 18 minutes or so. I'll show you the pork chops in a minute before I put them on. Alright, I'll be back. Alright everybody, you can see the Traeger's pumping up the smoke. I don't know if you guys, as you have Traegers, I've had this a few years. See all this extra smoke coming out of spots? I'm not sure if your guys did that or not, but this got clobbered by a bear a couple of winters ago. Pushed it all the way down there and bent the snot out of it. One of the legs was all torqued up and the lid was bent all out of whack, so I had to fix it, but it still works pretty good. I love it. We make good food with it, but it might leak a little more smoke than it's supposed to. I don't know, but I still enjoy it. Now what I did with my pork chops was, they look a little bland right now, I know, but all I did was put some oil, maybe a half a cup. I did 1.5 limes, and I only did a half of a lime just because I was making drinks last night and started to dry out and get funny, so I thought I'd use it here. I did a half of an orange juice, freshly squeezed all these. About a half teaspoon of cumin, salt and pepper to taste, and I put some hot chili powder in it just for a little bit of kick. So that's all I did. Oh, and 4 cloves of garlic. So once all that was put in, then it's been marinating for a couple hours. What I'm going to do is put it on the Traeger when it's nice and smoky now and put some of that marinade on them to cook for about 20 minutes or so. So we'll get to doing that here in a couple seconds. Hopefully you'll be able to see this all right. All right, we'll try that. So about half inch, 3/4 inch pork chops. Put right with the fire there. Nice and thick. This one right away, come on here. That garlic is out of there. Put some on. Real sticky. Oh, I did put a splash of water in here too, just to kind of thin it down just a little bit. There we are. We'll be checking them in about 20 minutes, so I'll be back. See, I threw a little cilantro on them, and that probe's saying 145. I'm going to let it go a little longer. I'm going to give them a little flip, just to round up this side. Oh man, that looks good. So we're about ready. Everybody had your face right up in there. Okay, it'll go about maybe another 3 minutes, and then we're going to eat. I'll show you when I'm done. See you in a minute. Well, everybody, I'm cooking during the COVID virus going on, so we're using what we got. I'm turning down the temperature to off. That's why we're doing pork chops. We had some leftover mashed potatoes we're going to have and some salad. This has been 22 minutes total, and I think they look good. 145 temp. They look nice and brown. We're going to have them that way. So I'm going to put you back over here. You might lay a little quicker, but that's all right, right? Get these chops. Alright, look at that. Garlic, cilantro, lime, orange, cumin, hot chili powder, salt and pepper, olive oil, a little dash of water. Looks good, don't it? So use your Traeger during the coronavirus. I love mine. Bye.